Hello beautiful souls, and welcome back to my channel. Today we're diving into how you can use astrology for a powerful mid-year reset. Whether you're feeling off track, ready to realign, or just wanting fresh energy into the second half of your year, this video is for you. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly how to use your birth chart, your current transits, and cosmic timing to hit reset on your goals, your mindset, and your energy. So let's get into it. Astrology isn't just about horoscopes or zodiac themes. It's a tool for self-awareness and timing. The planets are always moving, creating energetic shifts, and these shifts influence our emotions, opportunities, and challenges. Mid-year is a powerful checkpoint. It usually aligns with the summer solstice in the northern hemisphere, a time of light, clarity, and reevaluation. Think of it as a cosmic mirror asking, are you aligned with your soul's path? So, your solar return is your personal new year. It happens each year when the sun returns to the exact spot it was when you were born. If your birthday has passed, reflect on the theme of this year's solar return. If it's coming up, prepare intentionally. This energy influences your personal goals for the next 12 months. You can find out what your solar return is using your birth time, date, and location. Notice where the sun falls. That house shows where your focus should be this year. Your progressed moon reveals your internal emotional cycle, kind of like the spiritual season that you're in. Your new moon phase brings fresh starts and rebirth. The full moon phase is clarity. The waning tends to be release or reflection. So knowing your phase can help you align your reset with your soul's timing. You can use astro.com or another astrology app to find your progress moon phase. Journal on how it matches your current feelings or challenges and see if it lines up. Next, we check what planets are currently influencing your sun, moon, or rising signs. For example, a Saturn transit may challenge you to grow through structure. A Jupiter transit may bring expansion and blessings. A Pluto transit could signal deep transformation. Again, you can use an astrology app to check if any major planets are forming aspects in your sun or moon rising. This will guide your reset themes. Astrology also gives us seasonal energy. Around mid-year, we enter Cancer season, ruled by the moon, focused on nurturing emotional clarity and coming home to yourself. So this is the time to use that energy to reflect on your goals, prioritize emotional wellness, redesign your routines to feel more nourishing. If you're watching this in a different season, check what the current sun sign is teaching you and work with that theme. Now let's use the cosmic calendar to map out the rest of your year. So to do this, you need to focus on new moons for setting intentions, full moons for releasing and reflecting, and retrogrades for review and internal work, and eclipses for transformation and karmic shifts. You can use a lunar calendar or an astrology planner to align your monthly goals with these energies. So let's recap what we've done with some practical steps you can take right now. First, pull your solar return chart. Reflect on your current year's theme. Then check your progress moon phase and align your goals with your emotional timing. Third step, look up current transits to your sign, moon, and rising. These will spotlight your growth areas. Note upcoming new moon and full moons so you can sync your goals with the lunar phases, and then journal your cosmic reset. Once you've done all that, create a vision board or a ritual altar with images, crystals, or affirmations that reflect your mid-year intentions. Remember, astrology isn't about prediction, it's about empowerment. The stars don't control your life, but they do offer a map. You get to choose how you walk the path. If this inspired you to look at your life through a cosmic lens, let me know in the comments what your sun, moon, and rising signs are and what you're calling in for the rest of the year. I'd love to hear from you. Until next time, bye guys.